When the RMS Titanic set sail on April 10, 1912, she was the largest and most luxurious ship in the world, an engineering marvel of the age. Built in Belfast by Harland and Wolff and owned by the White Star Line, Titanic was marketed as unsinkable, thanks to its innovative watertight compartments and state-of-the-art design. She was more than 880 feet long, carried over 2,200 passengers and crew, and boasted lavish interiors that rivaled the finest hotels of the time. Titanic departed from Southampton, England, bound for New York City, with stops in Cherbourg, France, and Queenstown, Ireland. On board were some of the wealthiest people in the world, along with hundreds of emigrants seeking a new life in America. But just 4 days into the voyage, on the night of April 14th, disaster struck. At 11:40 p.m., the ship collided with an iceberg in the North Atlantic. The impact tore open 5 of Titanic's watertight compartments, one too many for the ship to stay afloat. Within hours, the unsinkable ship was doomed. Chaos unfolded as passengers scrambled for lifeboats, of which there were not nearly enough. Despite carrying over 2,200 people, Titanic had lifeboat space for just over 1,100. Class and confusion played a deadly role. Many third-class passengers struggled to reach the deck, while lifeboats were launched partially empty. At 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912, the Titanic broke apart and sank beneath the freezing water. More than 1,500 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest peacetime maritime disasters in history. In the aftermath, public outrage led to new regulations for maritime safety, including lifeboat requirements, and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol. Titanic's wreck wasn't discovered until 1985, lying over 12,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface, eerily preserved in the dark.
The ship is in beautiful condition where it is. It's sitting upright and it looks gorgeous, and I think it ought to be left where it is.
Today, Titanic remains one of the most iconic tragedies in modern history. It's a haunting tale of ambition, class divide, and human error. And while the ship may rest at the bottom of the sea, its story still rises to the surface, generation after generation. And remember, if you ever find yourself on a cruise and someone says the ship is unsinkable, maybe don't unpack just yet.